Hi, welcome to another episode of What Nature is Teaching Me. A few weeks ago, I came here on this exact path or trail, and you know what? Nothing's changed. And that's okay. This is how I know that even if I work on something, or I practice something, or I'm building something, it's okay if sometimes I don't see progress. The birds are not singing louder. The moss is the only green thing I see on the floor. And yes, there are some crocuses and some primroses that bloom. But except that, everything looks the same. My point here is that it's important to be consistent and to keep showing up even when you don't see results. I keep telling this to myself because sometimes I get anxious and I want to see results early, and I want instant gratification because I'm human. But no, it's okay to be consistent, to show up for your forest walks, for your mental health, and you will see the results. But maybe in a few months, or maybe in a few years. It's okay if nothing changes for a while. It's okay if we stagnate. See you next time. Bye.